Hi, my name is Daniel and I have some things that I want to review. As you can see, I'm holding my cat, my kitten Fuzzy. Just about cat. He's 6 months old. He's 6 months old. Say hi. Say hi. I'm going to let you go. That was my mom. We have some Smurfs today. I know that's a little bit weird, but it's how we roll. So first one, we got Grouchy. He's got a sign. He's holding that happy sign because in the movie Smurfs 2, he's trying to be positive. He has his little butt sticking out. Well, his tail or butt, something. And there's Grouchy. If you want to have a look at that, you can. Next, Hefty. He's doing a handstand. Oh, and signature and signature. And if you want to turn him around, he has his little tattoo. Clumsy. And yes, if you are wondering, he does come off as banana. Signature. Back. Stick it back on. He's over here. Okay. Next we have a naughty. Her name is Vexy. She's got a bit of blue hair. Her little signature is right there. Next we have Party Smurf. Got his little hat and his signature. Next we have Brainy Smurf. He's holding his book and he has a cool little stance right there. Turn him around. He has the glasses. Signature. Next we have Baker Smurf. And I don't have all the Smurfs for your information. I have another Baker Smurf. I have Smurfette. I have Papa Smurf. I have Papa Smurf. We got Handy Smurf. And last but not least, we have another naughty Hackus. My name is Daniel, and if you tune into my other videos, hit like and hit subscribe. Thank you. Bye.